Hi, my name is Dr. Steve Andrews. I'm a marine ecologist and the lead trainer at Envirotech Education's Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration program. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how our Certificate 3 in Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration program is delivered. The course goes for 58 weeks, which is a little over 1 year. You can start the course any month of the year due to our rolling intakes. We have students joining and finishing the course every month, so it's a very dynamic space where you can learn not only from the trainers, but also from the other students who've completed more of the course. The course has a blended delivery mode, online and face-to-face. Our lectures explore different conservation and restoration case studies in Australia and around the world. We also get a range of guest speakers on the class, sharing their projects from organizations such as the Australian Institute of Marine Science, Auschwitz Australia, Reef Check Australia, and other NGO and governmental bodies. For the practical, we meet in different locations on the Gold Coast. The practical classes are delivered 4 times a year with extracurricular practical opportunities mixed in, such as helping to regenerate the oyster reefs of Moreton Bay and taking data to support our proposal for habitat regeneration on the Gold Coast. The course also includes an SSI Open Water Certificate or Advanced Open Water Diver. If you are unable to dive for any medical reasons, you can complete the course by snorkeling. Diving is not required to complete the course, however, is an important skill for marine professionals. To complete the scuba diving course, you will have to dedicate 3 days, a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Our team is available for academic support. All you have to do is click the link, choose the date and time. You specify which units you wish to discuss and book your call. We always record the classes, so if students miss a class due to illness, they can watch the replay at their convenience. Please check the links in this email to go through prices and payment options. If you have any further questions, please contact our team through info@envirotech.edu.au or call 07-5535-3766. If you would like to chat with me or any of our marine trainers, you can book in through the link below. I'm excited to see you in class.